Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem code in Township. If you want to redeem your promo code in Township application, then follow through the steps. First of all, open the Township application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click the gear icon. Now, look for Enter Promo Code box at the bottom. Inside the text box appearing on the screen, type down your valid promo or gift code exactly as it appears. Make sure to avoid spaces or typos, and once you are done typing it down, click on Confirm. If the code is correct and valid, you'll instantly receive your reward, whether it's coins, cash, materials, or decorations. The rewards will be added directly to your account, and that's how you can easily redeem codes in Township. Go ahead and grab all of your free goodies you can. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.